shall fear no evil. This IPOB shall fear no evil. Even if the whole world is against us, even if Britain intensifies their effort to cross this very light of hope in sub-Saharan Africa, even though they shake the mountains, even though the seas may rise, even though they may give all the weapons and ammunition to the Zoological Republic, no matter what they do, no matter how they ferment their rage, it doesn't matter to us. For God, Biama, is in the land of Biafra. We shall never ever be moved. This God of the ancients will help us now and forevermore. For Biafra shall come, and this Lord of hosts is with us. Biama, the same God of Jacob, this same God of Shadrach and Meshach and Abednego, this God that never abandons his people, this same God is our refuge, and we proclaim it unashamedly that this God that we kneel and bow before, he shall worship thee. For Biafra is your promise, your word is yea and amen. Instead of your word not to come to pass, heaven and earth will cease to exist. Upon this very hope we anchor all our belief that Biafra shall come in our time, and we pray that it come this very year, that your glory may be made manifest in the lives of men, that we may kneel and bow before thee. Nyahan soro tutono sopro ne jamani bisia la chilete mate promigenida ko tutoni ne wedrigeze denso ugama rumbudi ne bige.
Ise. Thank you, our leader. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. Depends on where you are getting this video from and where you are watching it from. But from me, from here is good afternoon. I want to thank you all. I want to thank you, men and women. I want to thank the good people of Biafrans, the good lovers of freedoms. I say thank you all, for what you people are doing and to this awareness. I say may God bless you all. Thank you, men and women all over the world, wherever you are watching this video from. I say thank you. I say welcome. Today, this afternoon, I want to ask these people, these guys who are working as agents of darkness. I want to know why they are doing what they are doing. Sometimes I look at our people, sometimes I feel that these people have a long way to go. These guys on the ground, these our youth down in Biafra land, they have long way to go. I can't really know because there is video I see parading all everywhere. That is why I'm really doing this video now. There's video I see they are parading everywhere. Some group of people call themselves Operation Udogachi. I say, I say, go on, umizirunu unama hose ununa roro your oppressor. Now you are working for your oppressor. Many of them doesn't know what they are doing. But they don't know that indirectly now, the person that is suppressing you, oppressing you, now you are now working for that person, which is the whole Southeast governors and the leaders. They are the thing happening to you. These young youths covering their faces with a tissue paper or rag. When you say that you're a man, why wouldn't you open your face, let people see you well? So if you know that what you are doing is worth doing, why do you cover your face and be going inside the market and be disturbing our mothers and our sisters, our fathers, saying that every Monday that will be that you should open? Did you give these people money for business? That's my question. Did you give this our mothers who is inside that market, our sisters, our fathers who is doing their own business, did you give them cover? I'm asking this young, foolish idiot, these guys. Listen, let me show you the video. So let it not be like I'm just talking. I'm just like so mad. I'm like, what? These guys, when are they gonna wake up? When are these guys gonna wake up? They are still after, they will say, oh, the way we lose Biafra 1960s, 1967 stroke 1970. The same hand, you people were there crying. Now you see the only way for you to survive. You are there walking to your oppressors because of hunger. Then purposely do that to you so that you will have this hunger in you, so that when they give you guns and bullet to go and kill your brothers and your sisters in the market. Listen to them here. Then let's go to their video. Inside market, threatening old men and women inside their market that you didn't give them no money, including that person that sent you this job, called your governor, didn't give them no money. It's not caring for them, their own personal money. You see them. Ono kwunu nri ife okwuru na ya anotago na ya gbaburu ọsọ maka ụmụ ndị ọjọọ ndị a. Kende bụ ụmụ ndị ọjọọ ndị a because of ọ bụ ya nwa bụ the problem. So ọsọ gbara now ọ nọtakwana due to gịnị ana abago ya. Mazi Simon Ekpa is nowhere to be found. The people so-called themselves men on the ground, nowhere to be found. Who's supposed to be protecting the Biafra land, nowhere to be found. All these gang of criminals now, their governors now have to bring them back. This one is the Ekpa government, not that. My question to this idiot, ask him, if you know that you are doing something good, why are you covering your face? Maybe let prosperity judge you. Asking ime magana mesuno naba, ime jogona jesuno naba. Maybe if you know that what you are doing is right, let your people judge you. Akopas niru, una akopas niru nemu eme forjo, eme this kidnapping, name your governors kidnapping, your leaders kidnapping, threatening old men and women inside their market, saying no more lockdown, no more lockdown. So imagine the reason of lockdown. This idiot, imagine the reason. Anamana, if the reason of lockdown, for me. If all these guys itself, when I look at them sometimes, these people are mad. Listen. Naya notakwana that I have come back, I will go and be looking for them where they are living. Which people are the people on Ekpa now? These people are his own brothers and sisters who is fighting for his own freedom, who have volunteered their life. Look at what is happening in Republic of Congo. Look at what is happening in Congo there. In Ivory Coast, those areas. Look at what is happening in those areas. This guy now saying na not akwana, and na not akwana abu ebiano due to no Open now. Okay, fugo hana. How about AVG? Ebubago. Look at their logo there. Ebubago. And na ha notakwana. Oburi in notara ibibu your own flesh and blood. Ke notara for. Sine na aroro your governor or na aroro your senators or na aroro ha deti worker. Obe memti na asị ị mara na ifi na-eme dị mma mepe ihu ka na-afụ anya. Let's continue. Listen to what he said. Na anọta na igbusisi ụmụnne ya. You people are hearing him. Osina cho gene na ama hife hansi na ana acho. I don't know what they are looking for. Osina oba agitation ko bogene na ndeka. And this man he is fighting for. These are the problems that Igbo people have. That is why sometimes our leader, Mazi Kanu, nature these people, who nature hanya like this, asking these people. How can this young guy, Ego, how much are they paying these small young boys? The governor willing to use and dump. That's what they will do to them. Use them and dump them. If they survive it, you are threatening your own brothers and sisters who is doing their own, who is making sure that things will be well with you. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is languishing in the prison because of people like these foolish people, like these guys. They are the one now doing the extortion now for police, doing kidnapping, doing everything. That's gonna have a AVG. How about this one? Vigilante group. There are now this new one now everywhere now, a new terrorist solution launch called Operation Udogachi. How can you here inside the market threatening their own mothers and sisters? Threatening the people who is fighting for their own freedom. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, tell me which crime did he commit that makes him to stay there in DSS dungeon? Because of for you to have a good life. This animal, look at inside the market, they born on that. Go to my channel, go to USB Gospel, go to that's why I tell everybody, please make sure that you follow us in our channel. Go to USB Gospel, follow us in all our channel, follow us in Twitter, follow us in Facebook, follow us in all our channel so that you'll be getting update from what is going on. Every time I'll be dropping update. Let's continue. Look at what this guy is saying. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is inside DSS dungeon, languishing. Simon Ekpa is languishing for him to have a good life and live like a normal human being, not to live. Look at inside the market. Go to my channel, you will see how market is supposed to look like. Somebody who want to bring good life for you, good environment, so for you to reason and think very well. You are there saying that this. Look at what those idiots are saying. Those young youth. I don't know how much. 500 naira, more 1,000 naira. Go and destroy your flesh and blood. Let's listen again before I come out from that. I have a message from our leader for them. Inside market, they are threatening their own mother. They didn't give that person money to start his own business. Huh? In not back, I will them. In not back, on our wine and they are not back to with them. Ibi Musisi his own blood and his own brothers and sisters. Now he's going inside the market, threatening the old women inside the market for them to know that he's back. Kunafo. ndị a na-azọ ka azọpụta ndụ ha sị na ọ bụ ọnwụ ka ha mma. If it's a ma ọ bụghị ife our leader kwuru, also if it's not for one thing, I will leave you all to perish. So that if so onye survives next time in the next generation, you know that freedom, when you see a prophet, you better stand on his word. Listen, our leader, tell them something, please. Tell them something.
I'm talking about armed dangerous bandits. How many Fulani governors go and read us? How many Fulani governors are prepared to kill bandits at this I'm talking about armed dangerous bandits. How many Fulani governors go and read your newspapers? You will see it there. Fulani governors are negotiating with them, giving them arms, giving them vehicles, making sure that their life is no longer a mystery. But if they come down to the south, they tell you, give us land for Luga. Go and kill your people to prove to us that you want Nigeria. How many Fulani?
Which what all these young guys now are doing for the governors. That is why I said, let our leaders still remember them. How many Fulanis are ready to kill their own bandits, criminals, terrorists? How many of them? But Gewa is saying, I'm not Panam. I have come back to terrorize your community, to terrorize your people because of how much peanuts. If the northern people cannot do it, our leader have asked you the question here. Northern, no northerner will tell you. Shegum is tell you that anybody who fight the terrorists in the bush, Boko Haram and all the rest of them, Iswap and all the rest of them, that anybody who fight them, we will not give our vote to that person. So that they are their own mercenaries. They used to do their job. That they are their own fighters. But you, in your go, inside market threatening old men and women. What I have to all these young boys parading themselves for this governor, doing their dirty work, doing their oppressors' work. My message to you all is Omema na magana, omenjo na njo gana. I feel more to you guys. I say thank you all my listeners, thank you all our followers, thank you all for what you are doing. I say please make sure that anytime you watch our video, go to the subscribe channel, go to subscribe to our channel so that it will help us to grow the channel more. Please, as you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Subscribe, press the notification button, share the videos and make it go viral. As you are doing that, I say God bless you. From me, from here is good afternoon.